I hope you can see it correctly. So as you can see, when I turn this, both sides turns. If I hold one side like this one and turn, just another side will turn. And if I hold this one and turn this for one side, the other one will turn other way around. So yeah, it's a differential, the front one, and here are the internal pieces of it. Okay, it's a little bit hard to disassemble it, but yeah, a lot of pieces, starting by its core. So I can plug one side here and one side there, and if I turn, we can see the gears. And this is the inside gear. Yeah, this is the entire project.